Good afternoon, Jumpin' Jack here. It is Tuesday, November the 25th, and today we are looking at Bitcoin's weekly chart. My last chart was Bitcoin's daily chart, and there was an indicator that we were going to reach 90K on the daily chart, and we did. And now looking back in my post history on my Discord, I had also mentioned that Bitcoin had failed to hold above a resistance on the weekly chart. So on a weekly chart, every one of these candles is 1 week longs. As you can see down here, it's like 2025, 2026. You can see this is like a 1 year gap right here. So looking at that, I see now that through and into 2026, we should see Bitcoin rise from here. Because it failed to hold above the 124 line up here, it was highly probable to check and test the lower support zone, which was the 81,732, and sure enough it did. And I don't really think it's going to go any lower. I think maybe it might touch that line again or something as it stochastic RSI rounds the bottom. Sometimes it seesaws in this area here as it rounds the bottom and then takes off. Of course, it won't be straight up. It'll be seesawing its way up and liquidating shorts as it rises. So I suggest that shorting is not a good idea at this time. Of course, that's my personal opinion. Now, looking at that, I see here that if we do what I think it's going to do, it will probably follow this yellow line that I drew and head back into the ascending channel, which is here and here, because it had been staying in between that ascending channel for quite some time. And I can see it going right back up and touching the top of the ascending channel again when it gets there, which I think by the time that happens up there, this will be overbought, and then maybe we'll have a correction back down to the 124 zone, and we'll test that. I think that it's going to surpass that, and I believe in 2026 Bitcoin is going to have new all-time highs. Now I believe that everything is different. There's no 4-year cycle anymore. It's a liquidity cycle, and I believe this is a big manipulated market, because this drop here, to me, which everyone has been part of and all worried and saying that everything is over, is just a liquidity grab from all the leveraged longs who were holding down there. It's best and safest to be in spot trades right now, and I would move your leverage profits into spot and hold and hold and hold. It's time in the market and not time in the market. Anyways, if you like this video, hit like, hit follow, hit subscribe, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. This is not financial advice. It's only what I see based on my charting experience with the stochastic RSI indicator, and I wish you luck. Have a great day.